In front of me is Emporia SMART Mark Point 5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by accessing Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Consent in the pop-up. And finally, click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Sorry, misclick. When you see this kind of pop-up, select Yes. And then click on this gear at the top right corner. Now you can pick one of those options by clicking on the best one for you and hit Yes to load the chosen preset. You can also just adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. Click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it. In my case, home screen only. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!